Hello children. Today we will discuss about active and passive voice, the simple past tense. Passive voice was introduced to you in grade 8 and it was there in your pupils grade 8 pupils book. But I will recapitulate again before we do the exercises. Now let's look at this active sentence. Nisal wrote a letter. Now Nisal is the subject of this sentence because he performs the action. Wrote is the action. Here it is wrote is the verb and it is in past tense. A letter is the object of this sentence because it receives the action. Nisal is the subject. Wrote is the action or the verb and it is in past tense. A letter is the object. Now in an active sentence, the subject comes before the verb and the object. Here you can see the subject is before the verb and the object. Now let's change this sentence into passive. Nisal wrote a letter. Now the object of the active sentence becomes the subject of the passive sentence. When you are changing this into passive, the object of the active sentence becomes the subject of the passive sentence. A letter is the object of the active sentence and in this passive sentence, a letter becomes the subject. A letter is the object of the active sentence and it becomes the subject in the passive sentence. Then we have verb be. Because this sentence is in the past tense, we have to use the past form of verb be, that is was. Because a letter is singular, we have to use the past form of verb be, was, along with the past participle. The past participle is written. The past participle of the verb write is written. And then Nisal, which is the subject of the active sentence, becomes the object of the passive sentence. So, the passive sentence would be a letter was written by Nisal. I hope it is clear to you. Now, if a sentence doesn't have an object, you can't change it into passive. Look at this example. John sleeps well. John is the subject, sleeps is the verb, and there is no object. So this sentence cannot be changed into passive because there is no object. Now let's look at some more examples. Remember, all these sentences are simple past tense sentences and therefore we have to use was or were with the past participle. Why? Because all these sentences are given in the past tense. Now the active voice sentence is the teacher painted these pictures. And in your passive voice sentence, these pictures become the subject. And then the past tense of verb be is were. Because the pictures is plural, you cannot use was, you have to use were. Along with the past participle painted and then by the teacher. The cat did not drink the milk. Now this is a negative sentence. The milk becomes the subject of the passive sentence. Then because it is negative, we say was not. And then the past participle drunk by the cat. Now let's look at this question. Did she sweep the floor? Because it is a question, when you are changing this into passive, was should be used first before the subject. Was the floor, swept is the past participle by her. Or you can simply ask, was the floor swept without stating by her. More examples. John kicked the ball. The ball was kicked by John. Ball is the subject of the passive voice sentence. Was is the past tense of verb be along with the past participle and John is the object. by John. The ball was kicked by John. The postman delivered the mail. The mail was delivered by the postman. Someone stole the money. The money was stolen. You needn't say by someone, because here someone is not very important. The fact that the money was stolen is more important. I hope all of you understood. Please complete activity 12 part A. You will find that activity in page 55 in your pupils book, unit 5. After that, you can complete the worksheet that I have attached. Have a nice day.